What's going on, guys? Good morning. It is 6:31 in the morning and we're about to have an adventure. 6:31. We're late. Come on. Hey guys, so we're at Water Country and this is the lazy river right there. But we're having so much fun. The first half of the trip, I just wanted to just have fun without the camera, get used to all the rides and everything. We're gonna have some fun. And some of them say no GoPros, but we're going down. We got to. See, here's the lazy river. Okay guys, so they're getting a little bit of food, see right up there. They want some fried dough and stuff like that, but it's too expensive. And plus, we're doing all you can eat later, so you gotta save the room for later. All you can eat. So, Jeremy and I decided we're gonna go sneak up on this tube up here. Guys, we're going up the stairs right now. Let's go. We gotta sneak this in. Oh yes, look at that! Whoa! Whoa! Guys, so we made it down the slides without them seeing. That was so good. I had to start it a little bit into the ride, so because that guy up there seemed really strict, so I didn't want to chance it at all. But that was a good time. I think I got some good shots. Now we're up at the top of the lazy river. Look, there's the waterfall right there. It's a little colder than I would like it to be, but it's still not bad. Guys, we're at the wave pool. It's like every 10 minutes or so, they start the waves. Look at this. You gotta get into the deeper water. It's still only knee high right here. Whoa. Here we go, guys. Try to swim back. It's getting wavy. Whoa! Look at these waves. These are pretty good sized waves right here. You gotta be careful when you're coming in now, because it's easy to get scraped up. Okay, we lost the rest of the group, so we're going to hunt them down now. But we had fun on those slides. That was pretty good. It's getting kind of cloudy now too. So, but at least it's still like 78 degrees, so that's pretty good. Okay guys, we're in the whirlpool. Gotta hide the camera though. Well, I think this is the best spot to just relax. You just keep moving. It's like a swimming pool, but just like 5 times bigger. This is the best spot. It's about maybe 2-3 feet deep. I like this one. we just went down our last slides. Oh, those last slides were really good. We're going headed over to get our stuff, then go to lockers, get changed, then headed out to get some dinner. I thought the pavement would be a little bit hotter, but it's not that bad. So we're doing pretty good. So guys, it's the next day. It's my second day off. Work Sunday through Thursday. Have Friday, Saturday off, and we had so much fun yesterday. But today we have a little project going on, and I'm installing this new head unit in my Civic. So that is going to go right in here. So the radio is going to be taken out. This little cubby hole is going to be taken out, and we're going to have a new screen right there with his Apple CarPlay, all the good stuff. So turning this old Civic into an updated car. It's gonna be pretty nice to drive. And fixed my air conditioning the other week too, so I'm super hyped about that. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the install goes. Guys, so we're about halfway through the process. We ran into a few problems, but Crutchfield customer service was really helpful. Got everything laid out here, and this is what it looks like so far. Got the unit in, still working on all the wiring back there, and we're gonna run the camera back through under where the gas pole system is. Overall, it's looking really good. We gotta go. We gotta do it. We can go way faster without a tube too, if we happen to find